Have you ever wondered if two simple words could change your life? What if I told you that these words could open the door to financial abundance and prosperity? Welcome to Buddhism Philosophy, where we explore the teachings of Buddhism and other spiritual insights to transform our lives. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey into the fascinating world of quantum physics and Buddhist teachings, where the boundaries between the physical and metaphysical blur. You'll discover the profound power of words and how the right mindset can help you unlock your financial potential. These words have been used for centuries to shape lives and create extraordinary results. By understanding the deeper meanings behind them and learning how to use them, you could be on your way to achieving the financial abundance you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to find out what these words are and how they can impact your life, stay tuned. To understand the power of words, we first need to explore a fascinating concept from quantum physics known as the observer effect. Quantum physics deals with the smallest particles in the universe, revealing a world where the rules are quite different from what we experience in our daily lives. One key discovery in quantum physics is that particles can exist in a state of possibility, a wave of potential outcomes, until they are observed. This is called the observer effect. The observer effect suggests that our observation, or more broadly, our consciousness, can impact the outcome of these particles. In other words, our thoughts and beliefs can shape reality. This principle aligns with many spiritual teachings, including Buddhism, which emphasizes the power of mindfulness and intention. When we focus our minds on something, we bring energy to it. Just as an observer in the quantum realm can influence matter, so can our beliefs and expectations shape our personal experiences. The observer effect shows that our thoughts and consciousness have a tangible impact on the physical world. This idea forms the basis for many practices focused on manifesting our desires through visualization and intention. By understanding this principle, we can begin to see how our words and beliefs might play a role in shaping our financial reality. Now that we understand how our thoughts and beliefs can influence reality, let's dive into the power of two simple words, I am. These words are a declaration of identity. When you say I am, you're not just describing something, you're affirming your very being, creating a sense of alignment with whatever follows. In Buddhist teachings, mindfulness teaches us to be aware of our thoughts and their influence on our experiences. I am is a powerful affirmation that ties together your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your sense of self. It's not just about repeating affirmations. It's about embodying the energy and belief behind them. Think of I am as a key that unlocks the door to your desired reality. When you say I am wealthy, you're not just hoping for wealth. You're declaring it as part of your identity. However, it's crucial to align your thoughts and emotions with this declaration. If you say I am wealthy but harbor doubts or fears about money, there's an incongruence that can weaken the power of your words. This is where mindfulness comes in. To truly embody the power of I am, you need to align your inner beliefs with your outward declarations. This alignment creates a resonance that the universe can respond to. The universe listens not just to your words, but to the energy you emit. Buddhism teaches that everything is interconnected and our thoughts and actions ripple out into the world. By using I am with conviction and aligning your beliefs with your intentions, you create a strong foundation for attracting abundance. This is why those who truly embrace I am can experience profound transformations in their financial situation and beyond. So, how do you harness this power? It starts with mindfulness and a consistent practice of affirmations. It's not just about saying the words, it's about believing them, feeling them, and letting them guide your actions. In the next segment, we'll discuss how to cultivate the right mindset to ensure your words and beliefs are in harmony with the abundance you seek. To fully harness the power of I am, you need more than just words. You need the right mindset. The key to cultivating a mindset that attracts financial abundance is to align your beliefs, emotions, and actions with the reality you wish to create. First, let's talk about limiting beliefs. These are deep-seated ideas that can undermine your efforts to attract abundance. You might have been told that money is the root of all evil, or that you have to work incredibly hard to be wealthy. These beliefs can create subconscious barriers to success, keeping you trapped in a cycle of lack and limitation. Buddhism teaches that our thoughts are a driving force in shaping our reality. To cultivate a mindset of abundance, you must overcome these limiting beliefs and embrace new, empowering thoughts. This involves identifying and challenging limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones. Next, consider the power of consistent positive affirmations. The words you choose can help reshape your subconscious. By repeating affirmations like I am wealthy, I am prosperous, and I am abundant, you begin to shift your focus toward abundance and away from lack. Remember, these affirmations need to be more than mere words. They should resonate with your heart and align with your intentions. In addition to affirmations, mindfulness is crucial. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to detect any negative patterns that might hold you back. This awareness gives you the power to change those patterns and replace them with a positive, abundant mindset. A useful metaphor here is the mustard seed from Buddhist teachings. The mustard seed is tiny, but has the potential to grow into a large, strong tree. Similarly, your beliefs, even if small initially, can grow into something powerful. With consistent focus and nurturing, your mindset can flourish, leading to the financial abundance you seek. Finally, remember that cultivating the right mindset is a journey, not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and daily effort. But as you persist, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities will start to appear, and you'll attract wealth and prosperity in ways you hadn't expected. In the next segment, let's explore a heartwarming story that demonstrates the profound impact of affirmations and belief on shaping our reality. Let me share a story that beautifully illustrates the transformative power of positive affirmations and belief. This is the story of a father and his young son, and it speaks to the heart of how our words can shape someone's reality. Every night before his son went to sleep, the father would tuck him into bed and speak words of empowerment and affirmation. With unwavering conviction, he would look into his child's eyes and say, "You are my superhero. You are my champion. You can achieve anything you set your mind to." These weren't just empty words. They were seeds of belief planted in the fertile ground of a child's imagination. Night after night, the father repeated these affirmations. Over time, They began to shape the boy's sense of identity and self-worth. He believed that he could be a superhero, a champion, and that he was destined for greatness. One night, the father had to work late, so the mother put the child to bed. Later that evening, as the parents sat down for dinner, they were surprised to see their son appear in the doorway, eyes heavy with sleep. When the father asked why he was awake, the child replied, "Daddy, you forgot to tell me who I am." In that moment, the father realized the profound impact his words had on his son's sense of identity. By consistently reinforcing positive affirmations, he had instilled in his son a deep-rooted confidence and a belief in his own limitless potential. The simple act of speaking words of encouragement had shaped the boy's reality. This story reminds us that our words are powerful. Just as the father's affirmations shaped his son's self-image, the words "I am" can help us shape our financial reality. When we consistently reinforce positive beliefs about abundance and prosperity, we open ourselves up to a world of limitless possibilities. Now, let's turn to some practical steps to help you align your mindset with abundance and begin manifesting the financial prosperity you desire. Now that we've discussed the power of affirmations and the impact of our beliefs, let's explore some practical steps you can take to align your mindset with abundance. These steps are designed to help you cultivate the right energy, focus, and actions to attract financial prosperity into your life. Start with daily affirmations. Begin each day. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video and press the bell icon for more videos.